Happy New Year and a successful 2020.
So that's what you want to say. So we say Happy New Year together. 1, 2, 3.
Happy New Year and a successful 2020. Again. Happy New Year and a successful 2020.
My name is Nikki.
And my name is Agina. Welcome to this channel and thank you for following us all through 2019. This is a new year and we are excited to bring new stuff.
Yes.
Now, for the next 5 days, you'll be wishing people a Happy New Year. And in Lua, you'll be saying, Akwayo ni Nyasaye.
Akwayo ni Nyasaye.
Mondo oriti.
Mondo oriti.
E higa manyien.
E higa manyien.
Mar gana ariyo.
Mar gana ariyo.
Gi piero ariyo.
Gi piero ariyo.
Akwayo ni Nyasaye.
Akwayo ni Nyasaye.
Mondo oriti.
Mondo oriti.
E higa manyien.
E higa manyien.
Mar gana ariyo gi piero ariyo.
Mar gana ariyo gi piero ariyo.
So that is I
wish you
a
successful
I'm
year.
praying to God to take care of you in the year 2020.
Oh.
Okay? So, when you're going to greet anybody for the next 5 days, you'll ask them, Higa manyien iyao nade?
Higa manyien iyao nade?
So, you just, even if you're texting somebody, that's what you write on the text. If you're calling somebody on the phone, that's what you say. Higa manyien iyao nade?
Higa manyien iyao nade?
Even if you're receiving a phone, Higa manyien iyao nade?
Higa manyien iyao nade?
Okay?
Okay.
So that is how you're going to do this for the remainder of this year. No, not this year. For the remainder of the 5 days, the next 5 or 6 days. Okay?
Yeah.
And please subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you never miss a video. Remember, today the policies of YouTube changed, so you might not be getting our notifications because
Yes.
our channel is labeled as meant for kids.
Yes.
Also. So you might not be getting notifications anymore. So remember to check us out. And we wish you well and God bless you.
Thank you.
Oriti.
Goodbye. Higa manyien iyao nade?
Them a what? A Happy New Year. Done.
Sorry.
Yes.
In the picture, did you take a shower today?
Yes.
Yes.
Did you brush your teeth?
Done.
No.
No.
Hebu nilete nini? Nilete
No.
yawa, hizi shati tu za kawaida zenye huwa navaa. Yawa. Si kuna zile za blue ile ya sijui ya nini.
Yeah, really?
Koro wanu watini moya.
Really, sikuweka maji.
Sasa hii ni shati ya
Are you doing some
yenye nimeshafanya nayo, sio yenye sijafanya nayo.
Shati ya
Why?
blue and the blue strip simple.
Wacha unanipigia kelele sasa.
This one?
Are you sure the video's gonna close?
Wacha tu. Let me use this.
Are you sure the video's gonna close soon?
Are you ready? So what are we going to say? We're going to say we wish you a happy new year 2020.
When it's 2020, that means I'm not a Flash player anymore.
No, we wish them a happy new year because we are going into a new year. So you're going to say happy new year and I wish you a very successful year, okay? Say that.
I wish you a happy new year
And a successful 2020.
2020.
Louder.
I wish you a happy new year.
Face the
and a
camera.
successful
Start again.
2020.
Start again, wait. Okay, now talk.
I wish you happy Happy New Year and successful 2020.
Louder than that. I wish you a happy new year and a successful
2020.
Again?
I wish you a happy new year and a successful 2020.
Good. So this year we're going to start learning Luo with you.
There's only like more videos, but only like 4 of them.
Only 4 videos? Yeah, so we learn Luo with you the way we learned with Nikki last year. Yeah, then leo hakuna hata mtu anataka nifanye na yeye video. Sasa hii nafanyaje ya? Video zangu hizi mumewacha tu. Si Tony amekataa, aongee. Happy New Year and a successful 2020.
So that's what you want to say. So we say Happy New Year together. 1, 2, 3.